Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mohapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of how do you create a new VM using the custom image. Let's get started. In this session, I'll guide you how do you create a new VM using a custom image. As you can see here, all the steps as I mentioned here will go through the same steps to create a new VM using the custom image. Now I'll switch to the GCP console web portal page. I'll show you all the details inside the lab. Guys, as you can see here, this is the GCP Computer Engine web portal page. Then you should navigate to the image section here. Click on image and wait a couple of seconds. As you can see here, guys, this is your custom image. As you can see here, select the custom image first here. CLI new custom image as I selected here. Based on your project requirement, guys, you can select your custom image here. Then click on action button. As you can see here, the three dot button here. Then one option is here, create instance. Click on create instance here and it navigate to the create instance web portal page. As you can see here, change your name of the Linux server and select your region and zone based on your project requirement, guys. Here I selected as US Central 1 and US Central 1C, and then scroll down. If you want to change your image, then you can change here. As you can see here, the custom image section here, the multiple custom image is available here, guys. Then you can try it. You can select in your desired custom image here, then click on select. Then rest of the remaining field, guys, you leave as it is. Then click on create. For an example in the real-time project work, guys, if you select your networking section, this is the very important section, guys. You can select your private VPC and subnet based on your project requirement, but I don't have any private VPC till now, so that I selected as default here, guys. I'll show you in our upcoming session after I'll give some idea about what is VPC and how do you create the VPC. Now, guys, you can click on create here and wait a couple of seconds to create your new Linux server. As you can see here, the new Linux server is creating here now. Click on refresh button here. The status of instance is being started and will soon be running. And guys, as you can see here, the new Linux server is successfully created. Now I hope so, guys. Now you can understand how do you create a new Linux server using a custom image. Then, guys, you navigate to your image section here. Then you can remove or delete your custom image to avoid unnecessary build, guys. Then I selected two custom image, then click on delete here. Guys, you do not select any default custom image as all the custom images are available here, guys. Only you can select your desired custom image, that custom image you have created here. Now, guys, I hope so you can understand it. How do you create a new VM using a custom image? Guys, thank you and have a great day.